Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to export one or multiple meshes from Blender to Roblox. First, let's export a single object. Select it and press Alt plus G to move it to the 0 coordinates. Then press Ctrl plus A and select all transforms to clean the transforms. In the item menu, make sure that the object's location and rotation are set to 0 and scale is set to 1. Then go to File, Export, and select the FBX format. Set the object name. Specify the export path to a separate folder. Next, we need to set the export settings. Enable selected objects. Disable Apply Transform. Set Apply Scalings to all local. Disable Animation. At this stage, we can save our settings as a preset. Press plus and set a name for the preset. Press the Export button. Now, let's export all meshes at once. For this, we need to install the free Super Batch Export add-on. Using the link in the description, go to the add-on page and click Get Add-on. Then drag it directly into the Blender scene. After installation, press OK. If the add-on was not installed, go back to the website page and press the Download button to save the installation file. Then you need to install it locally. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install from disk. Select the downloaded file and press Install. Check that the add-on is enabled by typing its name into the search bar. The checkbox should be enabled. After installing the add-on, its icon will appear in the top left corner. Next, select all assets in the outliner. It is important to do this specifically in the outliner so that only parent objects are active. Then, press Alt plus G to move the objects to the 0 coordinates. Next, open the Super Batch Export window and choose the path for saving the files. Format, FBX, Mode, Objects by Parents, Limit to, Selected. In the preset list, select the preset that we created earlier. Then press Batch Export. All our objects are exported. If you created a texture in Blender, go to Texture, Paint, select the required texture, and save it to a separate folder. Now let's move to Roblox. Open the project, go to the Meshes folder, press the Bulk Import button, and select all our models. Press Apply All. If there are many models, verification will take some time. You just need to wait. So, all our models have been imported into Roblox. They are displayed in the Meshes folder. The textures used in these models have been uploaded to the Images folder. If you want to replace a texture on a model, go to the Appearance settings and replace the texture in Texture Content after uploading it to the Images folder. That's it. Now you know how to export a single asset, export multiple assets using Batch Export, set up assets in Roblox efficiently. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.